Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys. What's up, guys? I didn't see you there. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so as y'all can see, today I'm gonna be doing something with this head of mine. I know y'all been wanting to see me do something to my hair, so here goes a sleek bun tutorial. Let's just wet this stuff up some more because it's so dry. Taking my mist spray bottle and just wetting it up. Woo! I'm kidding. I know I've been gone, y'all, but I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. School done started, but I done got situated now, so I can start filming again. Yay! I'm excited. I can't wait to put out some fall makeup tutorials for y'all. How many of y'all ready for fall? I know I am. I know I am. I really need to wash my hair, to be honest, y'all, while I'm doing all this spraying. Okay, I think it should be damp enough. Now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel, of course. I know a lot of people don't use this anymore, but I am. So what I'm going to do, just taking the gel and putting it all through my hair. Well, mostly on the outsides, not too much on the inside. Not too much on the inside. Yo, the way my hair is, like, it was cut like kind of in a bob. So the back is like shorter than the front. As you can see, like the front is really long compared to the back. And I kind of hate the way it's growing back, but that was my fault because I decided to cut my hair that way. So, yep, I got most of the gel through there. Now I'm going to take my sleek brush, hairbrush, and just try to get it as smooth as possible in the back. And all the way around. And because my hair is so thick, I've learned a new method, y'all. I've been using a shoestring instead of a hair tie, because I got hair ties, but these things hurt. They hurt. So by midday, my head be hurting so bad. And like, just imagine if I'm out somewhere and my head is hurting so bad, and like I got my makeup on, I can't just take my hair down. It's gonna be looking all kind of crazy. So shout out to the shoestrings for coming through with the new method. And my friend that told me, I can't even remember who told me that I needed to do that, but shout out to you, girl. It's a lifesaver. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my edges up too, so y'all can see me do that. So this will be sleek bun tutorial plus how I do my edges. I probably should have left them out. That would have been smart. Am I doing this right? I'm just kidding. It's just I can't really see. So. Alright, that looks about right. So, now, I'm just kidding, that's kind of nasty. Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna put a little bit more gel in the back. I'm gonna get up on my knees for y'all so y'all can see better. Sleep this up some more. Mostly in the back, because my back, I told y'all, is shorter than the front, so. And sometimes this doesn't always come out good the first time, but we're just gonna hope it does for the sake of this video. Alright, so I'm gonna tie the string in the front. I'm just gonna pull. I'm gonna push up and pull. Push up. Yeah. Alright. Like a slick mohawk. Okay. Now that I got it with the shoestring around it, I'm just gonna go back and forth around my hair. Sometimes your hair can get caught up under the shoestring while you're doing this, so what I like to do is go in and pull it out. Okay. Keep going around until it gets to the very bottom of the shoestring. Okay, now that I'm at the very little piece, I'm gonna tie it in a knot. Seal that bad boy down, and then you take it back to the back again, and then you just put it up under it to secure it. If that makes sense, put it up under the string that's already there to secure it in. Alright, let me show you that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do to make this a bun, we're just going to, okay, now since we got it in the bun, gonna wrap the hair around. Honestly, sometimes I would just leave it like this, like, and not put like a scrunchie or anything around it. But I mean, do y'all think I should put a scrunchie on it? Sometimes I just don't want to, because at the end of the day, when I'm ready to take my hair down, I don't feel like going through all of that, so I just don't. Most of the time it just stays like this without having to put like a headband or a scrunchie around it to secure it. Hair tie, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, this is the bun, guys. Now to edges. So first, I always start like midway, like right here. For some reason, I don't know why I do that, but yeah. So I'm just gonna take my edges brush and some Eco Styler gel to go on that brush. And I always go down right here. And y'all, most of the time I already have my hair done before I do my makeup. Just because your makeup can get all just disgusting when you have your makeup done already before. I mean, your hair can get disgusting because you already got the makeup on your face and everything.
Okay guys, just as I was saying, I suggest you do your hair before you do your makeup, simply because of that reason. Thank God I wasn't going anywhere, because that would have been gross.
Loop that one around just
but
like
yeah.
that. Alright, and then so keep on doing the same thing all around. Just taking them little pieces and swoop. This one's good right here. This is my trouble side. This side always gives me the most problems. I love my little windows peak right here, y'all. At first, I used to hate it. When I was younger, I used to hate it. I'm not even gonna front. I used to hate it. So I just thought it was so funny looking. It's actually not. It works out great when you try to do your baby hair, so. Now you gotta make sure you make this just like this one. I feel like this is the key to the whole thing. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. Alright guys, so this concludes my video. This is the finished look. I really like it. I've been wearing my hair like this for the past 2 days, and I'm feeling it. Y'all let me know if y'all like it or not. If y'all feeling these edges. Well, not edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. They're really technically not baby hairs because nobody's really a baby that does these anymore, but I call them baby hairs, but people be like, they're not baby hairs, so whatever. Yeah, y'all just let me know what y'all think and what y'all want to see more on my channel, because I'm coming with the videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video, girl, what are you waiting for? You need to go on ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Also, like this video if you enjoyed it, and then also click that notification bell so you can stay tuned so you don't miss another video. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.
You are